This video is sponsored by okjersey.com. They've got all the latest kits, hundreds of retro classics and great prices. They also stock international kits, so get yourself ready for the 2026 World Cup. Link in the description below. Use code FRTV for an extra 8% off.
Oh my God, Caicedo, what a pass. Neto, play that across. João Pedro. Yes! Yes! João Pedro again! Yo! João Pedro again! João Pedro again! He's in form! He's in form!
Played through the middle. It's a lovely pass. Keeper doesn't come out. Neto! João Pedro! It's bundled over the line! And the referee's given it. Chelsea 1. Burnley 0. 3 minutes played. Ladies and gentlemen, João Pedro, before we do the clock, João Pedro is on form. I know he's just got to bundle that over the line, but he still gets the goal. He's in the position, right place, right time. Hey! Fucking Rosacroft! Come on!
Oh, what a ball that is from Caicedo. Neto's in there. Go on. Yes, it's in! That's gone over the line, surely. It has 1-0. 3 minutes, and Chelsea have their goal. And it is the man who just can't stop scoring right now, João Pedro.
Estaba का क्या सीन आज वो brilliant through ball. What a ball, Neto भाई को. Come on, man! What a goal! It is the restart of Chelsea, and João Pedro scoring continues. भाई वो गजब का through ball किसने दिया? What a through ball! And Pedro Neto with a first time low cross, and João Pedro in the box. The scoring spree continues. Come on, Chelsea, 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 Chelsea.
Paul Neto. JP, go! Neto assist, Neto assist. I told you, man, buy the stock. I told you, man, buy the stock. JP again, ole, ole. Hey, listen, man, I told you, man, to buy the stock.
There'll be hell to pay on this platform. Hell! What the? My was buffering. I refreshed the stream. I saw these men celebrating. I didn't even see what happened. I didn't even see the goal. All I saw was celebration. My life. Oh, for sake. We have 6 centre-backs on this pitch. How on earth does he have the run on you? How does he have a free header? Where are the runners? Where are the markers? Is that Fleming? That little prick. My life. You couldn't hold out for 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. That's all he was asking of you. There's 6 centre-backs on this pitch, and not one of you could stop this man. Even give him a little bit of a barge or something to put him off. No, let this man have the longest run up. Hell, man, you can't teach this. This is incredible. Incredible collapse. 1-1 at home to Burnley. You just drew at home to Leeds. Back-to-back home games. 19th place Burnley. They are getting relegated. It is guaranteed. Their fate is sealed. And you're dropping points again at home. How many times this season have we taken the lead and not won the game at home? How many times? It's more likely after taking the lead that we won't win than we will win.
James Ward-Prowse corner. I literally, as soon as he came on, I had a feeling something was going to happen. Oh, no! How? How have you not gone and defended that? It's so simple. You idiots. You flipping idiots. It's on an absolute plate. You've got the best corner taker in the Premier League, probably. How have you left a man unmarked in the box, you criminals? You absolute flipping criminals, man. Oh, piss off, bro. Piss off. That is the simplest goal, and it's the bloke who I've said all flipping game is rubbish. Because he is rubbish, but we make him look good. What? How? How are you watching the ball? Look, who's near him? Who is near him? No one is near him. Oh, flipping heck, man. Santos is supposed to be watching him.
Oh,
There's the script. There's the script. There it is. As well.
Wait.
James Ward-Prowse. Get me on the pitch. This guy should be on the pitch. This guy shouldn't be on the pitch. Yo, this is disgusting. This is so every single time.
I don't say we've got no outlet now to try and get the winner.
Constantly shoot ourselves like this. James Ward-Prowse, what the f did I say?
Is that Tosin's man as well? Don't piss me off even more.
Oh.
Don't piss me the fuck off even more.
No, I think that's.
He's got a physical. To be fair, we've got height now with Tosin and Sarton. Oh, no, man. For fuck's sake. Come on, man. It's just a piss take. Fucking piss take, man. You know. We just knew it as well. We just knew it. Shit team. Burnley.
गोल खत्म बाय बाय चलो भाई यूरोपा लीग के लिए तैयार है जो भाई पेनल्टी शॉट पे नेटो का सॉफ्ट था व्हाटएवर डजंट मैटर वी हैव एफ्ट आवरसेल्व्स एंड इट्स अ गोल फ्री हेडर इन द बॉक्स वी कांट डिफेंड कॉर्नर्स लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर एक तो कंसीड करना ही था एंड वी हैव कंसीडेड एंड या हॉरिबल सब्स्टिट्यूशंस रोसिनियर और ईयर को सब लोग लाओ भाई
Austin. Just can't be bothered, man. I just can't be arsed. Oh, I just can't be arsed.